Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you 10 ways to make money online in Cameroon. Hey there, my name is Kumeritso, and in this video we're going to be going into 10 different ways you can make money online in Cameroon. There is no limit to how much you can make online in Cameroon. You can make as much as $1,000 or more per month. You can make as much as $10,000, $5,000. There is no limit to how much you can make. So sit tight. If you look on your screen, you're going to see that I've been able to generate some reasonable amount of money from different sources over the years. I started my online business or making money online since 2015 in Cameroon, and I've been able to get paid through Google AdSense, from blogging to affiliate marketing to sales of my ebooks to sales of my services. The list goes on and on. So in this video I'm going to be showing you detailedly how you can do this yourself. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime I release a video. It's been a while I released videos like this, so I'm back and I'm going to be releasing videos back to back. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. The first way you can make money online in Cameroon is through blogging. So blogging is basically you creating content for a blog. A blog is a website, a type of website where you create content regularly. So an example is on your screen, like the blog you're seeing right now is one of my blogs, and it makes me money monthly. So you could create something like this. It is not that difficult to create it, and if you need any extra help, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. There's also going to be a link to an article where I explain all of the 10 things I'm going to be sharing in this video. So make sure you check that out and learn more on how to create a blog and how to make money from a blog, how to start blogging, how to choose a niche, how to monetize your blog. If blogging is something you're passionate about, it's something you love, then definitely check out my video on blogging, how to start a blog. I'll leave the link in the description as well, or in the comment section. Make sure you check it out. So the second way you can make money online is, one of my best ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply the process of recommending other people's products. If they buy the product, you get a commission. You could do affiliate marketing with platforms like ClickBank, and if you're from Cameroon and it is restricted, or from a country where it is restricted like Cameroon, you could go for Digistore24. You could go with Amazon Associates, which is the affiliate marketing platform. You could apply directly to products or products or services you can promote without passing through an affiliate marketing platform. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you check out my training on affiliate marketing. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. The third best way you can make money online in Cameroon is selling your ebooks. As you can see on your screen, I've been able to generate some consistent amount of passive income from my ebooks exclusively on Amazon, and I get paid through Payoneer. You could do that. To set all of that up is free. If you need any help, comment in the comment section, ask your questions. I'm going to do a detailed step-by-step tutorial for you. Now, the fourth way you can make money online in Cameroon is selling your services online. So if you have a skill, like I know somebody who sells her services as a web designer, like I do the same. I sell my services as an SEO expert. Different services you can sell online. So there is no limit to the kind of service you can sell online. Once you have a service that can be delivered online, you can sell it online. And if you could take it a little bit further by using the internet to advertise and sell other services that could be delivered offline as well. So that's the fourth way. The fifth way you can make money online in Cameroon is being a virtual assistant. So we're living at a time when there is more demand for online jobs, and people are looking for virtual assistants, looking for people to format content, looking for people to assist in customer support. They're looking for people to do all kinds of things. So you could format blog posts, you could curate or schedule blog posts on social media, you could do different tasks online, and you get paid for that. That's the feed point. So the seed way you can make money online in Cameroon is vlogging. And vlogging simply means creating video content. It could be for your YouTube channel, it could be for your Instagram, it could be for your TikTok. You could make money with it. It could be for Facebook. You could monetize it in the long run. If you want to learn more about vlogging, comment below and I'm going to do a special video for that. Now, the seventh way you can make money online, which is not really something I recommend, is online surveys, because it is kind of like really restrictive when it comes to Cameroonians who are resident in Cameroon. But if you're from the US, you're in the US or from elsewhere, this could be a good idea for you. There's definitely surveys Cameroonians can take, but they pay very little, so I don't really push for this. So the eighth way you can make money online in Cameroon is teaching online, and I recommend teaching English language online, not just teaching online. So there are several platforms out there that you can try out. You have Study Pool, where you can share knowledge, you can share resources and documents and get paid. You have different platforms where you can teach online, so make sure you check them out, and a little research is going to get you going. And now the ninth way you can make money online in Cameroon is through pay-per-click marketing. You know, have you ever seen an ad on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on all those platforms? Those ads were created by somebody, and creating these ads is pretty easy, and it is free to get started on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. You get started with a free account, and you pay only when you spend the money. So you could learn how to create those ads, and that's pay-per-click marketing. And there are people out there, companies out there, individuals out there who want to promote their comedy channel, their Facebook page, whatsoever they want to promote. They don't know how to promote their business on Facebook, on social media. They are looking for somebody who is an expert in pay-per-click marketing or advertising. You could be that person, and you get paid handsomely for that. I used to make a lot of money from this, and I discontinued because I have a lot of other more important things to do, and I encourage a lot of young people to get into this. And number 10, which is our last on that list, is social media marketing. Everybody's using social media, and a few people are making money from social media. You could make money from social media in so many ways. If you know how to grow a Facebook page, if you know how to create content, if you know how to grow an Instagram, a TikTok page, you could be making a lot of money from there, be it as a community manager or any other method you could use to make money online. If you love any of these methods to make money online, and you would like to learn more from me, Eric, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be patiently there answering all your questions, and if need be, I'll do a video for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love videos about making money online, digital marketing, business, even videos on other aspects of life like relationship and so on, make sure you subscribe, because I share a lot of videos here on self-development and to improve yourself and your business and your relationships. Thank you for watching. My name is Eric too.